Everyone, in this video we will configure a GitHub repository and we will try to push some files from our local machine, for example Windows 11, to the remote GitHub repository. Okay, so for that what we need a Git Bash. Okay, let me show you that this is a Git Bash tool, right? So this will be helpful for setuping and Linux base terminal on the Windows machine. Okay, so using this we can simply configure and initialize the GitHub, and using which we can push and pull, clone, and all that Git stuff we can do on the Windows machine remotely on the GitHub repository. So for example, let me show you that I have opened my GitHub profile on the Chrome, right? So this is my GitHub repo online. So first of all, what we need to do is that we just need to do we need to set up SSH key, right? SSH key on the Windows machine using, I will tell you that what I will do, PowerShell. Okay, so you can just open your PowerShell. Okay, and here you can mention, okay, let me show you that SSH keygen. Okay, keygen. Okay, RSA and hyphen T. Okay, okay, let me SSH keygen hyphen T RSA. Okay, and this will generate a key. Okay, so after this key we can do it. Okay, you can see it, currently there is a key already exist on this machine, so I will say overwrite yes. Enterprise, I will say nothing. Enter the phrase and it has been created the GitHub SSH. Okay, so you can see this type of folder. We will go inside this SSH folder and you will see this ID RSA. This is private key, which we will keep, which will we will kept on our Windows machine, and this is ID underscore RSA public key, which we will paste on the remote host. Okay, for passwordless connection. Okay, so now what I will do, I will exit from there and I will delete this key. Okay, I will delete this key, and for just example I will show you that. And just here you need to click on this new SSH key, your title Kayum SSH win key. Okay, Windows 11 key, and here I will paste the key. Okay, mm. So here you can see this is our RSA. Okay, let me show you that how it will be. uh, okay, this is my PC and this is the Windows C, right? C drive, and this is users. I'll go inside my own name Kayum, and here you will say SSH. Now here this is our RSA, right? And here we will say open with notepad. Okay, so this is our key. We will copy this key, and paste it on the GitHub repository, right? For a passwordless SSH, passwordless authentication. Okay, done. This is done, right? So after doing this, what we will do, we will go to our repositories, and click on the new repository. And here I will tell it as Git practice. Okay, after doing this I will keep it as public, right? And then create the repository. Then the GitHub itself will tell you that what you have to do. Okay, so what we had done, we have done our passwordless SSH setup between our Windows machine to the GitHub repository. That is done. Okay, and after that what we will do, we will just simply open the folder, right? Open the folder. We will go on the desktop. Right after the desktop, we will go inside this Python, then new folder. Okay, and here we will right click, mouse right click, and show more option. Okay, and just click here. Select this open Git Bash here, right? And just minimize this. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, I will tell you that what are the keys. Okay, so make sure this is the, there should be no dot git slash directory should be there, right? Otherwise your git initialization will be fail. So this is our folder. Okay, and I will show you that what are the files. So these are the files. Okay, so what I will do, I will just copy this code. Okay, copy this code, or you can select here control C, right? And just paste it here. Git practice, right? Click enter, and then it will do it one by one. So you can see, okay, one file change, three insertion, create mode, readme, right? Done, everything is done. Okay, okay, now when I refresh this GitHub repository, it should be there should be our files. Okay, okay, so these are the readme. Okay, readme all there. Hmm? So these are the readme files, right? First command. Where when we go back, hmm, these are the files. I will do one more thing. Git add sample.txt, right? And git commit -m sample file uploaded. Okay. Then git push origin man. Okay, done. Now we will go here. We will see one more time. Okay, you can see here, right? Sample.txt file has been added there on the remote GitHub repository, right? You can add more files, right? I will here, for example, let me create a file. Let me create a new file, right? For example, we will create a Microsoft Word file, right? Git docs, right? And inside it we will add some content, and then we will push it on the GitHub repository. Okay, so currently you can see there is no file, right? GitHub repo. I will refresh it and I will show you that there is no file, right? Okay, what is here is on. Okay, now here I will add, hey, we are learning. Okay, GitHub, and this is our test file on Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it, right? So this is our file, right? Now we have saved it. Now we can open our git file. Okay, you will see there is a git underscore docs dot doc file is there. So what we will do, we will add our git docs doc x. Okay, and here we will add git commit m uh, Microsoft Word file uploaded, right? Okay, and then git and then git push origin main, right? Now we will see that is it uploaded or not. So you can see it is uploaded. Okay, now we will open this file and let's see what is inside this. Okay, you can see here it is, right? Okay, you can see it, right? The content is as it is. So this is the way we can remotely connect to the GitHub repository. Okay, now again remote. So this is the way we can connect to the GitHub repository. So hope guys this is you like it. Okay, and if you want to delete the RTH, okay. One more thing is there. Let's see git config info, git config. Okay, this, so this is how we can do it, right? And if you want to delete the all the things, right, what we will do, we will delete this folder. Okay, remove rf git. Okay, you can simply remove this and you will have a fresh github and you can start anywhere, right? So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video and nice day.